Hello and welcome back. Now that the e91 has passed its technical inspection and is roadworthy again, I want to fix all the minor defects that are still on the car. So let's start with the error messages, then continue on to the mystic plastics, and in the end I want to do a service on the car. One of the errors is this cornering light on left felt. That's this bulb. I took it out from the previous lamp, thinking that it maybe was okay, but no, it's broken as well, so gotta buy that one. And the other one is the angel eye. So I got a new light bulb and it's hiding underneath here. That's the one inside there. I just changed the light bulb, so let's see how we're doing. Yes, that one is done. I did change out the light bulb and it's working, so that's good. But about the headlamp, it's a bittersweet situation because now this is the angel eye element that glows. In this one, it did glow. I actually did change the light bulb from this one to the brand new second-hand one, and the element that glows itself, it's broken. I don't know if I can transfer it from this one to that one. It's a light out situation, then they have to take the front headlight glass, plastic, off. We'll have to think about it. Maybe it's a different headlamp as well. Later that night, I couldn't fall asleep because I knew that the car wasn't fixed as it should be. So I went online and ordered some stuff. One by one, it came in. The missing underbody plastic and a parking sensor in silver, though it looks darker than mine. Rear windshield wiper. Now this thing is holding together the bumper with the wing and also the headlight. That was missing previously. Coolant expansion tank. Mine has a broken off float. And the headlight with clips that are still on it, and hopefully everything works. Now, not only did I get everything I need to finish the repair, I also did get everything I need to do a service. So today's task is switching out the headlight and putting back the missing plastics. And a chance to look around my previous work. These are different kind of sewers. We'll see if it works, and then we'll think about the color. And so I continued with the removal of headlight. Since I was the one who put it in its place, I also knew where the screws are and I could not get the 1 out of 4 holding it in its place. For a brief moment I considered taking the front bumper off, but I really didn't want to do that. So I want to swap everything from the old one to the new one while it's on the table so it's easier. Second thought, maybe just check if it works and put it in. I just checked everything works. The only thing I want to do is switch out the light bulb for the angel eyes because this one has a really orange one and you can see that it's different. Now let's try to put back everything together as quickly as possible. Here from the other side you can see that this is the bracket that I was missing. Now come to think of it, how am I going to put it in? It's going here and holding the headlamp here. Now that's this bracket in place. As you can see, it is here. Now I have to put some screws in it and hope that it holds the bumper. With the missing bracket installed, I proceeded to put the screws in and tighten everything together, but the bumper screw holes are damaged and I did the best I could. Because as you can see, there's a line here and it's not sitting flush here, almost as if I'm missing another bracket, but I can't find anything. One of the trims missing was this one. It came just over here, protecting this support. Now let's install it. Currently it looks like this. Look, the missing trim is bolted and back in its place. Yes! Would you look at that? Well, let's see if everything works. I did have to wiggle the light bulb, but just slightly, and now you can see that it's working just fine. Let's check the parking sensor. Now previously, just as I was putting it in reverse, it gave me a parking sensor error. Let's see. Still a BDC failure. No warnings from parking distance control. Have the problem check. Why is that? Man. Maybe I have to erase the code. Maybe I should look if I can just erase the error somehow and recheck the parking sensor after that. But currently I'm really happy about the July. And it's the next day. So today's task is to service the car and switch out the mechanics for the rear windshield wiper. After that, just give it a good wash so that the winter salts come off. First, I have to get the car warm enough. So I went around driving for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the oil should be warm. The idea is that if I can jack the car up and put the brick beneath the front wheels, then the car should be high enough that I can get the oil out. Let's see. So this is what we're working with. I got the catch can underneath and it's a 17 if anybody's interested in. And the oil filter is right over there. "24 is the biggest socket I have." Nice. But I do have a wrench that's 27. Disaster, they gave me a different oil filter. So the old one goes back in for now. That's it for now. I'll put the new washer on. And since I have a torque wrench, I want to use it. Does it really have to be that tight? I don't want to strip it. No, I'm stripping it. I don't want to do it. Now, according to Google, this car takes 5.2 liters. So, I bought a 5-liter jack and one more 1-liter jack. Let's leave half a liter off, just in case. It's already in the middle. You probably can't see that, but it's already in the middle. So I guess it's good for now. We'll check after a while. Air filter up next. This one's actually not bad. That's that done. Cabin filter next. Probably should have used this frame for the air filter, but well, it is what it is. So looks to be the same. That's the filters done. So now I just have to reset. Let's check. So the engine oil currently it shows 2,900 kilometers, and what I have to do according to YouTube is hold this until, and now I can use the no. One more time, hold it. Oh, now. Okay. Oh, now I can reset. So, no. So oil, reset. And there you go, it's reset. With the service being a partial success, I want to continue working on with this. So this is completely seized, so I bought another one and this one works, so let's switch it out. I had to take off the plastic trim from the wiper. Under it was a 10mm nut that was rusted on. With the wiper removed, I could take off a C-clip and a 24mm nut that held the opening mechanics. The inside trim was held in its place with two 10mm nuts and the wiper mechanics with one 10mm nut. After putting on the second head part of the window, it did not open due to a broken wire, so I combined my old part with the new part and could open the window again. After I put everything together, the wiper was not engaging the motor and was spinning freely. This pin isn't long enough, so it's not touching it and it's not working. After quite a bit of fiddling around, check this out. And of course it's not working. It just worked. Success! Last task for today is getting this filthy animal a bit cleaner because I want to do nice B-roll shots. But I'm not going to bother you too much with it. And oh wow, did the e91 clean up good or what? Now this episode gave me quite a few kicks on the behind. I did finish up on a lot of things, but I also needed to redo some work from the previous episode. And it's never fun to redo your own work, but it's necessary if you want to finish up on things on a level of quality that you are satisfied with. Now, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and bye. New O-ring and filter going in.